Our friend from Juneau. See, how you say hi to?
Welcome to Hawaii!
No, this is
Welcome to Alaska!
Alaska. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Alaska. Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
This is
Alright,
Hawaii.
alright.
Okay, this is Hawaii.
Tikit tayo yung barko natin dito sa port. Ito yung mga crew ng mga taga-barko at saka pier dito sa Sitka, Alaska. So ito yung isa sa mga cities ng Alaska. Tingnan mo, kunti lang mga bahay dito. Pero dinadayo ito ng mga turista. Diyan tayo dadaong. Yan. Tsaka yung bukid nila dito. Ito yung picture nila dito. Ayan. Ganda din. May iba-iba din yung forma dito. Tsaka ito yung bukid nila. Ibang shape din. Marami din mga islets, mga small islands. Doon sa kabila yung video ko. Tsaka may bukid dito na mataas na puting-puti. Puno ng ice. Snow cap. Ayan. Ayan. Kita mo. Puti. Ayan. Ice yan. Balot ng ice. Tsaka ito yung city nila. Sitka, Alaska. Ito yung city ng Sitka, Alaska. Kita mo yung araw. Yan, araw yan pero maulan. At saka kulimlim pa rin. Ganito talaga ang weathers dito sa Alaska. Pinaka-normal na rin ang weather dito. Palaging nakaulan, umuulan, palaging umuulan. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-city nila. Maliit lang siya pero may mga tour at saka cruises. Meron din silang flight dito eh. Barko lang at saka aeroplano lang yung mode of transportation dito. Meron silang city buses or within the city lang. Yun lang siguro kalaki. Tingnan natin kung nakalaki itong Sitka. Marami din ditong mga whale kasi para siyang bay. Yan, dyan. Kita mo yung mga ilan na yan. So dito nagtatago yung mga whale. So marami siya. Ito yung dinadarayo ng mga turista dahil sa whale watching sa wild duck. Maraming mga eagle din dito. Nakatira. Yan. Ganyan lang dito. Ayan. So makita natin. So mamaya makababa tayo tsaka makita natin yung city ng Sitka. Maliit siya pero dinadrive ito ng mga turista. Ayan. Ito na yung Sitka, Alaska. So makikita natin mamaya pagbaba natin kung gaano ito kaganda. Parang maliit lang siya pero maraming namarayo dito at nagbisita. Marami din itong mga salmon na mga isda. Fishing area ito at marami rin mga whale watching whales dito kaya dinarayo ng mga turista. Plano lang at saka barko lang ang kung gusto mo magpunta dito may marin sila na airport dito. Ayan. Iikwa natin kung ilan yung population nila at saka yung doon parang bay kaya dito tatago yung mga whale, mga humpback whale. Maganda din siya. Tsaka palapit na tayo. Kita mo yun. Tsaka ito yung mga crew sa baba. Maraming crew dito sa baba. Maghintay na yung bus natin na sasakyan mamaya para ikutin tong city na ito. Ito yung Ketchikan, Alaska. Magandang panahon ngayon. Pagkuhan tayo malis. Pagkuhan tayo mag-tender. Malis na tayo. Ganda natin yan. Dito. Napakaganda. Salamat at hindi umulan ngayon. Makikita natin yung beauty ng Ketchikan. Ilang tao dito. Alaska. Maganda din ang pagkakita yung Manila dito.
How come we're not moving?
Ito yung pinaka-sentro ng Sitka center. Ito yung pinaka-city na nila. Tingnan mo yung bukid, ang ganda. Yung mga tao dito is only 8,000. Pero yung mga turista yan, puro turista yan lahat. Yan, ito yung city nila. Napaka-historical ang lugar na ito. Kaya maraming mga turista. You go in here. Then, ito. Yan. Diyan tayo. Ito yung museum nila. Diyan sa loob. And then, dyan next. Itong mga pa nila dito. Historical. Ayan. Pinaka-city nila. Sa city. Yan. Maliit lang siya na city pero napaka-organized. Tsaka maraming turista.
Alrighty, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed your brief time here in Juneau. Sounds like you'll be headed to Ketchikan later this week. There's a possibility I'll be seeing some of you there. In this early part of the season, sometimes they need to shuffle around staffing in different places, so I'll be flying to Ketchikan tomorrow. But I hope you all enjoy the rest of your cruise. And safe travels. I'll just be pulling up into one of these tour lanes that we started our journey this morning from. And once again, once I place the step stool, we'll be good to unload.
yung museum nila. Napakaganda. Yan yung mga totem, mga sculpt, nagagawa ng mga totem. Yan. So lakad pa tayo dito. Papunta pa tayo doon. Tsaka dyan may mga magandang bahay din sa labas. Oh wow. Tsaka yan. Maganda yung bus nila dito. Coming.
Such a big population.
And it was to protect the church from wave action. So this was, you know, as Amy said, it was known as Governor's Walk, right here going to town. And this was the sandy beach. You know, Crescent Harbor, we have 5 harbors here in town. We, excuse me, this is not it's not the oldest and it's not the newest harbor at all here. But anyway, it was a sandy beach. So then in 1905, they built the parish house that sits behind it, and that's called the Sea House back there. The stained glass window that you see, excuse me, the stained glass window that you see, story about that one is when they were building it, they had ordered that from a glass company back on the East Coast. And it wasn't Chipneys, I would have remembered that. But, you know, there was a company like it. They had ordered it, eagerly awaiting its arrival, building this church, saving that open space. Box arrives, they open it up.
It's
Wrong
in pieces.
window.
It was what?
Wrong window. Look at the center.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
There
a Star
is
of
a
David.
synagogue. True story. There is a synagogue
that's
that
funny.
has St.
Get a shot
Peter's
of that.
original window somewhere
Oh
along
my
the line.
goodness.
Everything had to go around Cape Horn back then. You know, there was no Alaska Airlines. There was no FedEx, UPS. And so there was, and I'm sure they probably could have figured out a way of getting it back and returning it, but they really didn't. It would have taken so much time, you know, to find it, have one rebuilt, and they were eagerly waiting to get it.
So they have services there Sunday morning and Friday evening.
So there you go. True story. Crescent Harbor. Crescent Harbor. How far is that?
Ito yung harbor nila. May mga maliliit na mga island. Magagandang bahay doon. Kita mo. Dami ding wildlife. Siguro dito yung otter. Tsaka ito yung napakaganda bukid nila. Yan. Maganda. Ito, yan, daming mga wild ducks. Ibang klase yung mga wild ducks nila dito. Kulay puti. Yan. May mga islands din dito. Ito pa rin ito sa Sitka, Alaska. Kikita mo diyan. Yan. Wild ducks. Iba din yung kulay ng wild ducks dito.
Do you want me to take a picture?
Tsaka yan. Ganun.
Okay, or you can take a picture of us too.
Ito yung Sitka Mountains. Yung kanina, yun ang Sitka National Park. At ito yung lake nila from Indian River na maraming mga salmon. Then going to the sea. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito. Yan. Na-preserve nila kaya maganda at malinis yung bukid nila. Yan. May mga wild ducks. Tsaka yung bukid na yan na puti, yun ang snow may snow. So isa din dito, may snow din. Yan. Alis na tayo kasi may iwan na tayo. Ito yung downtown ng Ketchikan. Dito may mga shopping center dito. Dito tayo. Yan. Christmas in Alaska. Ito yung pinaka-downtown Alaska. So marami din. Yan, may beer. May mga beers dyan. Ketchikan mining. Ito yung Saxman's Village. Parang ito yung pinaka-native people here in Alaska. Ito yung bahay nila. Ito yung mga tourist dito. Ito yung mga turista na dito. Napakarami. Bisita. Ito yung mga totem posts. Yan. Ito yung so, napakaganda kasi pagpan sila sa dito yung sila. Sa loob ng visitor center ng Ketchikan, Alaska. So, ito yung mga decoration nila dito. Ayan. Daming mga decoration nila. Saka may welcome sign dito. Ayan. Welcome to the meal of work. Dito decoration pinaka popular dito yung totem. Ito yung pinaka statue nila dito, si Orca. Ito yung whale, kung maalala mo sa salida na Orca. Ito yun siya, yung painted whale. Dami dito. Kanina nakatingin tayo, nakakita tayo ng whale. Yan siya. Tsaka marami pauwi na yung mga turista. Kaya pauwi na rin tayo. Kuha na lang natin yung picture nito. Yan. Maikot na natin ito. Yun yung cable papuntang bukid. Nasakyan din natin. Balik tayo. Ikot. Konti. Kita mo si Orca. Napakaganda niya. Saka ayun, dito din yung dagat ito. Saka ikot dito. Yan. Okay. At saka dito. Tingnan natin. Yan. Maganda yung bukid nila, yung nature nila. Saka may mga kuwan pa dyan. Crab house. May palang crab house dyan. Pero wala na tayong time. Uwi na tayo. Ayan.
We will head southeast from here to Destiny Channel and pretty much straight for both our ferry to the end of the floor. That will hopefully take us all the way to the North Village. We're aiming to pass the bar into the ferry a bit before 5 o'clock this afternoon. The ice conditions changes on a daily basis in the North to Alaska. And since laws of the ship safety is a main concern, today's ice conditions will determine how close to the nation we can. I do hope that we'll get all the way in, but if we don't, the same as in before, it's actually happening. Two small ice floes will be some luck, some wild. We will take a closer look at the show.
Same time.
Napakaganda yung view dito sa Alaska. At napakaswerte natin kasi meron tayong naka-chance tayo na walang ulan at saka mainit ang panahon. Hindi siya mainit, malamig ang panahon, pero na may araw tayo ngayon. So napakaganda.
There's that tail.
Yeah.
Alrighty. That was a good from our humpback whale. Like I said earlier, that typically means they're going down for a little bit more. Sometimes they'll psych us out. But it's still pretty nice to get a nice close view.